Alright, I can't mirror this video, but this is her. And I want to show you this.
By the way, wow, on your email, I can't even believe what all you've been through. I mean, I can, but that was incredible in regards to your, your team that you had and everything. I'm very sorry for what you went through, but I would assume that part of that you don't want to be shared or discussed in public, no? Or
I'm not sharing my screen right now, right? Because I don't see
no, you're not.
Okay,
no.
I was just making sure. That's a topic that we can go through if you want to. I let people do that. You can go in anything you want. But I'm just warning you that AI is going to be paying careful attention to identify threats, anything futuristic from what we're saying that could raise your threat level and my threat level and things like that. So with the sodium, what we're talking about is a nanofilament replication inhibitor. And what got me in trouble was working with the Institute. It wasn't because of Project Black Star that got me in trouble.
What was the main goal of the Con Institute?
Those are the people that specialize in Jollen's research.
Oh.
Things like that, which is uncontrolled replication of the silicone strands inside of people's body. So it's like a silicone-based life form is what it is.
I'm familiar.
Right. And so members of the team, just saying his name raises your red flag.
So I'm not able to go ahead and play any more of that video. It's just not working out. But I did want to share this with you, so I gave you enough to go on to look her up, and I hope you watch it. Alright, God bless you all. This is a big deal. These things, when you hear what this guy has to say, I mean, it's amazing. Amazing. It really is, but it doesn't have to happen to you. Just remember that.